Hello everyone, this is Coach Lana checking in, and today we're going to talk about processed foods and food cravings and the cycle that it creates. Are your cravings out of control? Processed foods are part of the problem. Processed foods contain combinations of our favorite substances, salt, fat, and sugar, in combinations you will not find in whole foods. Fruits generally contain sugar but no fat. Meats contain fat but no sugar. And not only do we get combinations of our favorite craving triggers in processed foods, but chemically engineered flavor enhancers and caffeine are added, which adds to the difficulty of our brains resisting them. Processed foods not only contain salt, sugar, and fat, but they contain them in very high concentrations also, which send our brains into a craving frenzy. Highly refined sugars hit the bloodstream faster than sugar from whole foods. We get this endorphin high quickly, but it's impossible to sustain it, and we crash, which prompts more cravings. So, processed foods also help us eat fast, so we can eat more in a shorter amount of time. That's great. Whole foods tend to slow us down the eating process, right? They slow it down. It's so much easier to toss 10 chips into your mouth versus chomping on an apple. Processed foods are so easy to eat. We barely even have to chew them at all. We digest them so much faster because they contain little fiber or protein and a lot of sugar and fat. In addition, foods containing the trio of sugar, fat, and salt stimulate a maximum pleasure point in our brains. It magnifies the gratification we get, making us crave them even more. It's possible to be addicted to food, just like alcohol or drugs. We keep looking for that next high or fix. You eat a scrumptious treat on Saturday, and your body continues to crave it several days afterwards. So, how do we get over the addiction? Well, you need to clean up your diet. Is that a revelation? It can be as hard as quitting smoking, so you really need to try baby steps. First, start keeping a food diary. Get an idea of where you are, and then start to replace processed foods with whole foods. Set a goal each week to replace one meal or snack with a better source. By the time 1 month has gone by, you will be surprised at how much progress you've made. I know you can do it. I absolutely know you can. It'll take time, take those baby steps, and you'll start feeling a lot better. More energy, sleep better, just all around better health. Well, hope you found that interesting. This is Coach Lana, and I am checking out for today.